Hi, this is Shabbir Kazmi, your lead architect at ETC, and we are in Washington, D.C. historic Shaw District. This is a beautiful part of town, and what I want to show you today are these window replacement projects for a historical building. This is about 95 years old, and this is Beaux-Arts style architecture. It has precast panels. So this went through a process of permitting as well as architecture review board. And we showed all these details of the building on our drawings that help the board understand the historic significance. Now, if I can show you a little bit close-up view, this is their beautiful garden. And this is about 10 stories high building. Now you can hear with the street noise, there's a lot of traffic and a lot of street noise. But as soon as you put in the new windows, the sound really deadens inside the unit. So the residents feel like they are in the comfort of their quiet home. New windows also has the air and water resistance that we were trying to accomplish. Little technical things that when we took out the new window, we put a new window flashing, waterproofing, and technical term called indent flashing. And what the indent flashing does, that if the water builds up, the water doesn't get in the jams and the water drains out. So we removed these historical grills, we put in new windows with historic profiles, new brick molds, and it turned out to be a beautiful project, as you can see. All right, so this is our project. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon on our social media.